Welcome to today's quick and essential guide on how to manage your online status on Reddit. Whether you want to stay connected with others or prefer a little privacy, this 1-minute guide has got you covered. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Reddit app or head to the Reddit website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the latest version of Reddit so you have access to all the updated features. Once you're in, look at the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Online Status. Simply toggle it on if you want to show when you're online, or turn it off if you'd prefer to browse Reddit in stealth mode. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully managed your online status on Reddit, giving you full control over whether you're visible or not. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy Redditing!